Hey, curious minds, ready to unbox your next big find? Every episode of Unbox Solutions with me dives deep into Amazon gems, smart hacks, and surprising solutions you might not know existed. From combat boots to kitchen gadgets, we unbox them all, up close, unfiltered, and just for you. Tag along as we refresh, relax, and renew your everyday routine, one product at a time. Catch new episodes every Tuesday on YouTube at My Coach Ministry. Hit subscribe, smash that bell, and never miss a reveal.
All right. So now we're going to our unboxing segment. So let me put this on. Put on my gloves, and today we're unboxing something pretty special to me. It's a safety keychain set, a safety keychain kit. All right, and I'm very happy to be unboxing it today. I've been waiting patiently. For it to get here, and now it is finally here. Oh, here we go. Right, so the first thing we do, remember, remove our private information. Right? Okay. Okay, doing a little bit of an issue here. All right, so I'm going to take it off afterwards, but yeah. Remember to remove your private information. So here we go. Hey, a little loud, but I like it. There we go. All right. All right. So this is, you can see it on the screen. Let me show you the pieces that are in it. We have that for keyring, this here, and we have this piece, and these are holders. You can see it on the screen that I'm showing you, right? Let me see if it's showing you what they're for. Oh, sorry, let me show you this one. There we go. That one will show you what they are. And we have this one, and this one. This is what, I'm not sure what they are. And this is the pepper spray. Pepper spray, oh yeah. And then we have, these are all some kind of security thing that you can use, like if you're in a vehicle or whatever. This is a knife. It's a knife, right? A cutesy bracelet. Then we have this, and then we have the, oh yeah, this one is the stunt gun or something like that. Yeah, this. Oh yeah. And then one more. They're not labeled inside the box, but you'll see them on the screen, because I'm sharing a screen. And for those of you who are listening to this and you're not seeing it, you can go to our YouTube channel. Go to my YouTube channel. You can either go to at My Coach Ministry on YouTube or at Global Urban Media on YouTube as well. This is another one. Yeah, and they all have their unique purposes. So yeah, that's the package for today. And now let's go on to our unboxing tip for today. Unboxing tip for today is, okay, here we are. So our unboxing tip for today. So here's your number one unboxing tip that no one talks about. The one unboxing mistake most people don't know they're making. And here's the tip. Always check your hidden compartments and layers before discarding the package. This happened to me. I purchased some some pitchers, right? And the glass pitchers, they come with this wooden tag that you put on the bottle. And I forgot to search the rest of the box and I lost them. I was so hurt. So, y'all ready for this? Here's the number one unboxing mistake that most people don't even realize they're making. They throw out the packaging too soon. Yep, before checking for hidden flaps, trays, inserts, or compartments, because brands today, they're slick with it. Manuals, accessories, even warranties are often tucked under cardboard layers or embedded in double bottomed boxes. I made this mistake once that I was saying to you and threw away something I really wanted, the labels for my jars. It still hurts. And here's why it matters. You could be missing cords, instructions, discount vouchers, even refund policies just because you were too quick to clean up. The solution to this: treat every box like a puzzle. Before you toss it, flip it, shake it, and gently pull apart each section. Don't let excitement make you careless because the solution you need might still be in the box. So please let me know if you'd like any other tips, from any specific tips with regards to shopping hauls, unboxing, that I can resource for you. Oh my gosh, that's our unboxing for today. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for staying with us so far here on Refresh, Relax, Renew. And now we are going over to, I love to open new packages. There will be the latest information on the top funding opportunities for entrepreneurs who are seeking funding. Come along with me. I'm Coach Racquel, and this is a passion project for me, so I'm so happy to bring this to you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching.
Unlock your potential every Thursday with our podcast, Refresh, Relax, Renew. Join Coach Racquel as she guides you through personal development journeys. Each episode focuses on actionable steps to enhance your personal journey. The podcast features 3 main segments to keep you engaged. We start with discussions on trending topics relevant to your growth. Then we unbox solutions to common challenges we face daily. Finally, stay updated with fresh funding opportunities each week. Tune in every Thursday for new episodes, and see you there.